Okay, so let's talk about layout and presentation. So the way words are presented, the way they're presented and seen, adds to its impact and how readable or understandable it is. You see, a wall of text, words, words, sentences, words, 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 words. Ugh. Very intimidating. Ugh. Not very fun to look at. Not very appealing to glance over. So articles, blogs and newspapers follow certain rules for layout and presentation. Okay. Certain standards, certain requirements they need. So the text is more appealing. Okay. So layout is the way text is organized on page. So here's the page, and there's the layout. So here's page again. There we are. Okay. So the text might be like this. Sentences, sentences, picture. Sentence, don't need that. Sentence, picture. Okay. But only a few sentences. Two sentences, one paragraph. Picture, nicely broken up, for example. So layout is the way text is organized. Presentation are the parts we see. So we see headlines, words and pictures. So a headline there, for example, words and pictures, more words there, paragraphs. So the presentation is what we see. Presentation is what we see. Layout is how it is before us. Yes. Laid out. How is it laid out? How is it laid out? Yes. So, how cool is that? The key word here is readable and understandable. Something catches your eye, some article, some blog, some newspaper, report, the title, for example, the concept, the meaning, and if it's unreadable, not very fun, not very enjoyable, not very clear, not to the point even, it's off-putting. Now, there are caveats to this. Certain newspapers, for example, cater to the more serious and sophisticated audience, so their articles, the layout is going to be text-heavy, and presentation will have very few words. Very few pictures, for example. Worth understanding that, like Financial Times, for example. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.